What's going on, YouTube? Today I got this 2016 Buick Enclave with the 3.6 liter V6. Customers complaining about the check engine light being on and sometimes having a rough idle issue. It's a very notorious common problem on a lot of your GMs, not just the Enclaves or Traverses. Anything with this style of purge solenoid that's made by GM is going to have this pretty same issue. And if it's if it's like a Traverse or an Acadia or something like that with the same engine in it, this procedure and changing this valve, this purge solenoid, is going to be the same. And the code that it sets is a P0496, evap emission system high purge flow. What happens is the valve over time starts getting carbon build up inside of it, and the pintle inside starts sticking, and it'll stick open and allow fuel vapors to constantly be flowing through the intake. So that can cause like a rich condition, you know, like basically like your engine's flooding out. So anyways, enough talk. If y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so I continue to make videos like this to make your life easier. Let's get started. Go ahead and turn that key off. It's a very easy fix. Just take the oil cap off. Pop your cover up, there's no bolts on it. It sits right here. Push down on that green tab, pull back, pull down your connector, unplug, grab you a 10mm socket. Wiggle it back and forth. Has a little O-ring that goes into the intake side. Just push a new one in. Start your bolts. A couple threads. Actually, I'm going to run it all the way down with my fingers. Little final oomph there. Plug her in. Put your line on. Pop the cover on. And your oil cap. It's that simple, y'all. I'm going to go in and clear this code. And I'm going to have the customer drive it. Now, evap codes, or the evap monitor, is usually the last thing to pass on most of your newer cars. So you'll have to probably put it on the interstate for a couple drive cycles, meaning from hot to, or cold to hot, cold to hot. It might take a couple days for that code to go away. So as long as you put it on the interstate, because you got to be going above a certain mile per hour for the computer to run its tests. So let's go ahead and clear this out. Lights out. I'm going to release this to the customer, and usually I'll have them come back in a couple days to see if their monitors are passed so they're ready to get their emissions done. Anyways, I hope y'all like this video. Y'all please check like, please subscribe. Have a good day. Peace out.